In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add hashtags on Instagram Reels after posting. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin and I'll stuff up an Instagram app. Then hit at profile. And let's find some reel among my boss here. I got a reel, and let's say I want to add hashtags to that reel. In that case, all we have to do is just hit at these three dots icon. And then just hit on edit. That allows you to change a caption for the reel. So I can just stop right here and then I can add any hashtag. Just like that. And then I'll tap it down to save the changes. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.